I can't get the brown flakes and smell out of the tub. I have used different recommended tub cleaners using the cleaning setting with no luck. I have been doing this all day. Please help.
How long have you been dealing with this tub issue?
I have just noticed it 2 days ago.
How long has this been going on with your tub? What have you tried so far?
I have used vinegar, glisten washing machine cleaner and afresh washing machine cleaner.
What's the brand and model of your tub?
LG Inverter Direct Drive WT7100 CW Top Loader.
How long has this been going on with your LG tub? What have you tried so far?
Running it on the clean cycle and the washing machine cleaners.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. You will see phone call pop-ups. Know that I do not send those, the site does that, and if you do not want a $24 call, you can ignore those. Sorry to hear you have flakes in your wash, that is frustrating indeed. Over time, residue will build up in the tub, below the basket, and there is a way to remove that, but it takes a few clean cycles with white vinegar, about a cup or two in each clean cycle on hot. With no load in washer. So you can run a few of those clean cycles with white vinegar to dissolve the residue in tub wall. Or you can remove the basket and then access the inside of tub and scrub and clean it by hand. That is a bit more involved though, and is a bit challenging to do.
Okay. So all I need is white vinegar. I will give it a try, although I have been running it for 2 days now. Will that matter?
I see you used vinegar, so that is good. You will need to do that more than one cycle though, as it takes a while to remove months of sediment buildup. Your other option is removing the basket, by removing the top plastic ring on top or tub. After removing top panel, then you remove washer plate / agitator, then main basket nut, and then you lift out basket and you can access the tub and clean it. That is the way I do this repair when on a job like this. It takes a bit to access the tub, but once you do, it's an easy clean. No, you can do clean cycles anytime.
Okay. I guess I was on the right track and did not know it. I will just use the white vinegar and nothing else.
Afresh is just detergent with perfumes added, so vinegar is the best way to dissolve those buildups.
Okay. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you taking the time to help me. I'll continue to run the machine.
No problem. Have a great day, be safe, and thank you for using Just Answer.
You do the same. Thanks.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.